Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a treat for your taste buds with our Paneer Tikka recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. For this delectable dish, you will need 250 gram paneer, 1 medium-sized onion, half bell pepper or capsicum, red, green or a mix, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 cup plain thick yogurt and 1 tablespoon mustard oil. In a bowl, combine yogurt with chili powder, salt, turmeric, garam masala, pepper powder and coriander powder. Give it a mix. Crush ajwain and cumin seeds. Add them along with ginger garlic paste and kasuri methi. Let these flavors mingle. Taste and adjust if needed. And don't forget to introduce the distinctive touch of mustard oil. Now let's bring in the veggies. Chop the onions, bell peppers and tomatoes into 1-inch pieces. Combine them with the prepared marinade. And here is the secret twist. Add roasted gram powder. Mix thoroughly, ensuring every piece is coated in this flavor-packed goodness. Time to introduce the star of the show, our paneer. Gently toss the paneer cubes in the marinade until each piece is generously coated. Grab your skewers and let's create magic. Alternating between paneer, onion, bell pepper and tomatoes, thread them onto the skewer. Repeat until you have crafted a skewer symphony. Heat your grill pan. Grease pan with butter. Place the skewers and cook on medium to high flame for 2 minutes. Give them a graceful spin, ensuring an even golden brown on all sides. And there you have it, our sizzling hot paneer tikka ready to be served. Happy cooking!